Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to back up iMail mailboxes to PSD file. First of all, download now iMail Migrator. Use iMail Migrator and get these ultimate features. Create separate PSD per user. Maintains original folder structure. Pick specific destination path. To change iMail folder language. Install and run iMail Migrator. More details check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. There are two options available, that is select folder or select file. To choose iMail mailbox folder or files. Now click on the select file option. Select the iMail file from the saved location. Now click on the select folder option. Select the iMail mailbox folder from the saved location. Now click on Next. Here, the tool shows all the folders from your iMail account. If you want to convert multiple users' iMail mailboxes, then click on the previous button and do that. Now check the I am converting multiple users option. You can also take help of Shift button to select multiple users' mailbox. Now click on Next. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program keeps the folder hierarchy in the PSD file. Now click on Next. Saving option will help you to export the iMail mailbox into various email or file formats you require. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including PST. Select PST option. This option will allow to create separate PSD for each iMail mailboxes. If you want to change the language of email folder instead of English, then choose it. Here, you can change the destination path as well as the resultant PSD file. Now click on Next. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message, conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Here you can buy and activate software. Click on OK. The software will create savinglog.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to destination folder and check output file. Converted PSD file. Thank you for watching the video.